mana o nwere mgbe mbụ bịa mee announce na arụ adịrọ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Ndị mmadụ sị na amara ihe m na-ekwu na mpụta na-ekwu okwu si ese ndị atam na the post bịa nwegide issue no report page m report akaụntụ m udu mechie my first Facebook page mmepe because na nna-achọ ikwu eziokwu mmepe another one yanwa bụ ihe survive unu post ihe maka Biafra no strike ya na YouTube mgbe unu nkịtị achọ m kwunu ngekwa this girl nta anyị ma n'eziokwu na the girl na-ekwu cha too much mana ịmago na ebe a sị onye ara na-eti mkpu na-etisi mkpu ike sị mara ka ịma na chinchọ na-ata ya onye ara tibe mkpu tisigbe mkpu ike n'aka ọkọ jeke na usekwu na ma na chinchọ na-ata ya ka e nyere ya aka because ngwongwo bụ ama nkwu ya mara ihe na-eme ya eme manụ na ibu na anya ya alụ ka ọ chinchi na-ata ya. So biko nu gaa na ntị kwunu ihe this girl kwuru regarding the health of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Like when we talk about it in the previous video I post maka na ọ appear on a court. JPAC na Mr. Governor Eziokwu nwere analyze ka ikwe na two things are involved. It's either na arụ adịrọ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ha achọghị ibute court like that so that could they create a misunderstanding and people may got affair. That was why he did not appear in the court. And another thing is that court I refer to is a lower court. Supreme Court higher than that. So as the only case at the Supreme Court, he cannot stand so low. You govern that court unless when at the court he be sitting on phone. That is when he will begin to appear in court. All those things, so we will now watch a video and not paying attention to the full details of the video. We will not church we buy up where is also now. We copy that part with the. So again, at this student to Makana, pray for the recovery of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Na news Eziokwu mana since last year can notice that last year 2021 Kambuzo Tibempu and Aradro this man and the way OCD they want to give it to Nigeria called they have Obasanjo in Nigeria one and Obasanjo actually to say Nigerians I will give you a dying president so Yaradua will legal that place where Muchianya so Nigerian government actually have Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in a way to decapitate him. Ndị solo Igbo mago akajisha ya nku ankọwa ya na Igbo mkpirisi mago na isa gbajishe mmadụ nku gbajishe nku imezi aga imago agara ma na ho na eji okwu si Abia State ruo Ebonyi State mago na osi aga mago nwe mana Nnamdi Kanu nwe physical strength they want to render him ka ọ bụrụkwa na ọ pụtazi n'ike adịrị ya. They will not allow him to die in custody. Have that at the back of your mind, but they will leave him in a state of ọdịndụ ọnwụ ka mma. Onwezika happier onwe ka ọnọzia is like 3 months 4 months asị na ahụ adịghị na fly ya bịara ọrụ chọwa ofe oyibo kọọ nke ahụ aga. Biko watch this video with open mind. I attack kwana m na comment section n'ike adịghị m ebe efu m na ahụ adịghị m ha ka ọ dị nụ.
A good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Depending on where you are joining me, as I'm not gathered on channel, only negadi kechi, makane na echi ada agwu. Because of my people, Obiadromuma today, I am not just happy. Information have it that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not feeling fine. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na ya serious one at that. Ahwadro Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and nothing is as in. None of these criminal governments are doing something about it. I don't know why they don't want to allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to go. Can you hear these people nature? What are they waiting for? Are they waiting for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to die before they release him? Is Nigerian government waiting for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to die before they allow him to go? Why are they still holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? What is the offense of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Can Nigerian government come out and explain to the whole world the offense of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? The reason why they are still holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Can they come out and tell us? For kingdom's sake, what is the meaning of all this? Why are they intimidating Biafrans in Nigeria? Why is Nigerian government maltreating Biafrans? Why are they maltreating Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Why can't they allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to go? What is the offense of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for kingdom's sake? Why can't they allow that innocent man to go? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a freedom fighter. He has committed no crime. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu committed no crime. known to human. Why can't they allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to go? They are praying for him to die in DSS dungeon so that they can come out and tell us stories. Let nothing happen to... Nothing must... let nothing happen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Let nothing happen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We are giving you people this warning. Allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to go and treat himself. He is not feeling fine. He is seriously sick. And a lot of you are pretending that you don't know. DSS that is in that place with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they all know that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is seriously sick. They should allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to go and treat himself. They should allow him to go. I don't know why they are keeping Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu a criminal? What is the offense of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Is it a crime for somebody to fight for, as in to fight for his own nation? Is it a crime to be a freedom fighter? Is it a crime? Or book crime that not somebody be a freedom fighter? Why are they holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Can they come out and tell us the reason why they are still holding Mazi? Why can't Nigerian government obey their own courts? Of course, we know their own plans. Because somebody like a makeover is funding Nigerian government. Nigerian government are not ashamed of themselves. Some idiots like Hope Uzodimba. Some imbecile like Dave Umahi. They are the people, and some of them, they are the people, the criminal politicians, funding useless Nigerian government to continue to keep Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in detention. They want to jail Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for life. Are you jailing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for life for what? What is his offense? Is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu a criminal? Why are you people planning to jail Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for life? You want to destroy IPOB. Now let me shock you people. You guys can never destroy us. Nigeria can never work again. Yes, Nigeria is gone and gone forever. It can never work again. If you like, destroy, you can't even destroy IPOB. There is nothing you guys can do about IPOB. We have come to stay, and Biafra must come. So allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to go his way. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not the reason why Nigeria failed. The earlier you know this, better for you. Holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not going to make Nigeria to be good again, to better again. Nigeria is gone and gone forever. So stop suffering an innocent man. Stop suffering Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He committed no crime. You guys are just suffering him for nothing. Allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to go, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not a Fulani man. He is not a Yoruba man. That is why you guys are maltreating him. You guys are intimidating him. You don't love Igbos. You don't love Biafrans. Yet you don't want us to go our separate ways. Who does that? Now that he is sick, you guys still keep him there. You people want him to die. Nigerian government wants Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dead. They want him to die before they can release him. That's if the reason why Nnekwu wee timpu abụrụkwa n'ọka ebo hapụ ibu that's iburu nwe ihe o ji etimpu bụ n'ọka ụwa n'ụlọ onye ụna ama nsịkwa dat na anya won ho ụnụ ụna ama nsịkwa dat na ekwuru ekwu maka na ekwuru ekwu mele ọnụ. We keep saying this every day. Allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to go. He is a freedom fighter. He committed no crime. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not a terrorist. He is not a criminal. He did not kill anybody. He is an innocent man. He is a freedom fighter. The earlier you know this, better for you. Allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to go his way. Nigerian is dead and gone forever. There is no two ways about it. Share this video. Let Nigerian government allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to go and treat himself, to go and take care of his health. He is not feeling fine. He is very, very sick now. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is very sick right now. Let Nigerian government allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to go and treat himself. They should obey their own court and allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to go. Nigerian court have discharged and acquitted Mazi Nnamdi Kanu since last year, October 13th. Up till today, Nigerian government are still keeping Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They are still keeping Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in DSS confinement. Why are they still keeping Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? What is the offense of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Why can't Nigerian government come out and explain to the whole world the offense of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? I don't really understand. You don't want Biafrans. You hate Igbos. Yet you don't want them to go. Who does that? Yet you don't want them to go their separate ways. You guys don't want Biafrans to go their separate ways. You don't love Biafrans. You don't want them. You hate Igbos. You hate Biafrans. You hate us. Yet you people don't want us to go. Nothing must happen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We are not going to take it lightly with you guys. Nothing must happen to him. We keep saying this. Nothing must happen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Nothing must happen to him, oh. Okay. On this note, share this video. Enuge ahwadro Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ema ka na ade na ede. Emalo ote na ade kita no ede. Share this video. Continue this campaign. Let Nigerian government do the needful. They should allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to go. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no na DSS dungeon eba ha bro benne. Ono ha eba ha no na ejolu ugbo maobu no na akọ ugbo maobu no nwere ihe ọ na-eme that place. They should allow him to go. Abba Kyari, the criminal in uniform, because he's a Fulani man, they allowed him to go. He is a fraudster. Abba Kyari is a fraudster. But Fulani government allowed Abba Kyari to be a free person today. If you go to southeast today, they are busy investigating Biafrans over there. Police and army, they are from pole, as in, they are standing pole to pole. They are busy investigating us as if we are criminals. Since they are not comfortable with us, they should allow us to go. Let them leave us alone. We said no to one Nigeria. One Nigeria is not by force. I don't know why they are maltreating us. I don't really understand. On this note, share this video. Biafra must come. We must go our own. As in, we must go back to our own roots. We are not going to continue with this one Nigeria of a thing. One Nigeria is not by force. One Nigeria is a scam. Say no to one Nigeria. Nigerian is gone and dead forever. There is no two ways about it. The earlier you know this, better for you. Those of you still praying for one Nigeria, you must be a foolish person. Continue this campaign. Let them allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to go and treat himself. Now that is not allowed to happen. Allah na happen Nigerian government. They should allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to go.